Welcome students, let us see this question. This question says the second term of a geometric series is 28. So we can write its second term, that is the T2, is 28, and the third term, that is the T3, is 28 1 minus a. Find the common ratio. So we have to find the common ratio given that the series is converging or series converges. What is the meaning of this conversion? What is the condition for this convergence? So the condition for convergence is its common ratio, the mod of common ratio should be less than 1, or we can say the common ratio should lie between -1 to 1. So this is the main condition, right? We can write this condition in this manner also. So mod of r should be lying between 0 to 1. Any mod is greater than 0, so it's obvious thing, so that's why we can ignore this also. We can write this as well. Somewhere it is written in this manner also, maybe in this manner, so that's also correct. So the series converges, it means the mod of r will be should be less than 1, and the sum of the first three term is 147. So it means T1 plus T2 plus T3 will be equals to 147. It's a very tricky question. First of all, many students do a mistake that they take this a as a first term. This variable a or this symbol a can't be taken as a by our choice. It should be mentioned in question. That's the logical, right? We can't take this as a first term because we generally assume first term is a. If you proceed with in that manner, this will be incorrect. That will be incorrect, right? So please take care, this a is not our first term. So how we can solve this? So first of all, see, it's if we divide T3 upon T2, we will get the common ratio r. That's simple. So T3 is what? 28 1 minus a upon T2 is 28 is equals to r. So this 28 will cancel out. So we are getting the expression for r as 1 minus a, but we have to find the a where a is not the first term, right? We can't take by our own choice that it's a first term, right? So how this will be solved? Okay, see, I know the second term, this is given question, this is the 28, plus third term is also given, that is the 28 into 1 minus a is equals to 147. We don't know the first term. See, we know the common ratio, right? We know the common ratio. As you can see, from second term to third term, what happened? Just multiplied by r. So if you think in a reverse manner, what will be the first term? If you think in a reverse manner, you can write the first term may be 28 upon 1 minus r. Sorry, 28 upon r, and my r is what? My r is what? My r is 1 minus a. So we can write 1 minus a. See, 28 upon 1 minus a. When you multiply by 1 minus a, you will get 28. Again, if you will multiply, you will get 28 1 minus a. So in this equation, now you can see 1 minus a is only variable. Basically a is only variable. So from here we can find the a. Let us suppose this 1 minus a is equals to my r. We can assume, and actually this is the case also, 1 minus a is basically r. So this equation will modify as 28 upon r plus 28 plus 28 r is equals to 147, right? From here we can take 28 as a common. So take 28 as a common. I will get 1 by r plus 1 plus r is equals to 147. So we can simplify this, take the LCM r. So it's 1 plus r square is equals to 147 upon 28, right? We can simplify this. 7 4 ja 28, 7 2 ja and 1. So this is, so we can write 4 plus 4r plus 4r square is equals to 21r. Still we can rearrange this in a standard form of quadratic equation. So this will be 4r square plus 4r minus 21r plus 4 should be equals to 0. So this will be 4r square minus 17r plus 4 is equals to 0. Now we can factorize this and try to find the value of r. So it's very simple, that is the 4r square minus 16r minus r plus 4 should be equals to 0. I hope you are getting how to factorize and how I am factorizing this. So from here 4r will be common, so you will get r minus 4. Here minus 1 will be common, you will get r minus 4 is equals to 0. So from here you will get 4r minus 1 and r minus 4 equals to 0. So from here we will get either r is equals to 4 or r is equals to 1 by 4. So which value should be accepted? Please see, please think also. See, the question says the series is converging, so my r, see this r is what? 1 minus a, and we have assumed this 1 minus a as r. So r should be, the magnitude of r should be less than 1. So r is equals to 4, we can't take it. So what we should take? We should take r is equals to 1 by 4 only, correct? If this is 1 by 4, our question is solved. But if we want to find a, we can also find this a. 1 minus a is equals to 1 by 4. So 1 minus 1 by 4 is equals to a. So this is the 3 by 4 is equals to a. Can we verify that? Can we take a as a first term? See, my second term is 28, third term was 28 into r, and r is basically 1 by 4, right? So this is 28 into 1 by 4, that's the 7. So first term should be what? Sorry, it should be first term. This is the first term. First term should be, see, what should be happen? 28 divided by r. It should be 28 divided by r, as the third term is 28 multiplied by r. So here 28 upon r. R is what? R is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. So it's 28 into 4. So it is basically 112. So you can see the first term was 112, the second term is 28, the third term will be 7, like this. So a is not my first term. That's conclude here that a is not my first term. So I hope you have understood this question. So if there is any doubt, please let me know in comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching.